Hello friends, welcome to Arch's Talk Business News. And friends, today we are going to see the latest updates regarding to Birlasoft. So friends, as you all know that Birlasoft, an IT company which works for like financial and uh, healthcare domain, so IT services which provides IT services, and it also works for automotive industry also. So KPIT demerged from this Birlasoft itself. So I pretty positive on this Birlasoft company, and today they take some press release. They announced like Birlasoft has earned the modernization of web applications to Microsoft Azure Advanced Specialization. So friends, mainly one thing which we have to understand is Microsoft Azure is a cloud-based data like what you called database friends, so where we can store data and we can process in live data also. So already we know AWS from Amazon, and here like this is from Microsoft, so Microsoft Azure. So in that there will be a modernization on web applications like what you call web applications. So if you are running a company, you are going for a web. So this is web which you designed is a e-commerce site, means there multiple number of hits will come at the same time when you give an offer at a particular time. So to withstand these type of multiple clicks at the same time to your site, you have to withstand. So when we go for this Microsoft Azure or AWS, it looks pretty cool, and it's like expandable its sizes. So that means sizes means in the term of um pressure which was coming from the hits. So that's the main thing, and total I didn't explain much about, but this going to be a good positive for the company, for Birlasoft. So we can expect a positive move, and the company, if you see after a good earning numbers, it given a good rally. And see here, this is one area like we already know if this area 200 levels, we suggested like we are positive about this stock at this levels 200 levels. Still it moved. This is one channel, and after results this is another channel. So what is my intention is friends, below 400 we can add again Birlasoft. That is my clear view about this, and make like 275 as stop loss, and enter into Birlasoft below 400, and make this 275 as stop loss, and enter below. So this is how we can expect. So below 300, 400, below 400 will be very good for next positive up movements. Thank you very much.